Hey everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. It is Wednesday, January 27 morning, and I am super excited to be with you today because we will be doing an on-feet review of the brand new Ultraboost 21. Let's go! Now, before we get into the video, two quick reminders. Number one, we are doing a giveaway for the Koala smartwatch. So if you haven't joined yet, please do subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, give this video a thumbs up and a like, and then check out the link down below for the rest of the mechanics. Number two, our new Lazada shop has been relaunched. So the Lazada shop closed down for a bit. That's where all the merch that you can find for this channel can be found. So we have shirts, we have side bags, we have socks, we have face masks. Please do check it out. The link to that one can be found down below as well. This is the Adidas Ultraboost 21. This is the e-commerce exclusive that you can only buy on the Adidas Philippines website. Now, for this on-feet casual review, I'll be talking about two key things. The first one is discussing the changes from the 21 compared to the different models and how big of an impact those changes have done to the overall experience. And number two, we will answer the question, should you buy or should you upgrade to the Adidas Ultraboost 21? There are two key things that they changed with the 21 compared to the previous models. The first one is the 6% boost that you can find on the midsole, and the second one is the Adidas Linear Energy Push that you can find here on the outsole, which is the redesigned torsion system. Now, when it comes to the boost, that 6% increase, what does it give? What does it deliver? When it comes to everyday walking or casual running, from my experience, it is a bit firmer. While it is more boost, doesn't necessarily mean it's softer. It actually feels more compact, more dense. The problem with this Ultra Boost, the one that we have over here, which is the 5.0 and the 4.0 that came before, and the 3.0, 2.0, 1.0, is that the boost would become much too quickly, and at the same time, when it became too soft, it would be hard to run on them, much less work out in them. The denser and more packed boost with this one gives you a little bit more stability, and I think overall it makes it more durable for longer runs. Speaking as somebody though that has wide and flat feet, that is a problem. My main issue with the Ultraboost 19 and 20 is my main issue that got even more exaggerated with the 21. Too much cushioning for people with flat feet can definitely be bad because it leads to more overpronation, it leads to a less stable ride or stable step. And I felt that with the Ultraboost 21 even more with the 20 or the 19. However, if you do have narrow or normal feet, I think this will work extremely well for you. It's just that I feel that people with wide feet should get an experience first and don't blind buy it online and see if it is something that you can really rock. Now, for the Adidas Linear Energy Push, which is the revised torsion system, just so you guys have an idea, this is the 21. This is your typical Ultra Boost when it comes to the outsole. It has been dramatically redesigned, and the purpose is to give you, I think, an increase of 15% in forefoot stiffness bending. And ideally, that's really more for runners because when you run, especially long distance runs, it gives you more overall support when it comes to your stride. So in a nutshell, as an everyday shoe compared to the Adidas Ultraboost 20 or 19, there is a difference. Is it significant? Is it game-changing? In my opinion, not really, but there is an upgrade. It's kind of like the iPhone 11 upgrading to the iPhone 12. It has a better camera, but it's not necessarily like the biggest innovation since the iPhone, 10. It's the same thing here. It's just better cushioning. It's just better responsiveness. It's slightly better in different areas, but it's not truly mega groundbreaking. At the end of the day, we live in an era, like what Marco Pierre White keeps on saying, we live in an era of refinement, not invention. Now, another change that they made is incorporating the prime blue knit material for the upper. So instead of your traditional prime knit, wherein it's made from, well, knit, this one uses a certain percentage from recycled plastics from the ocean. So if you are into, environmental causes, or if you just want to support more sustainable products, the Ultraboost 21 delivers that in a way. So should you buy the Adidas Ultraboost 21? Now, let's say you have been rocking an Ultraboost for several months, if not years now. You've put in so many miles into it. You beat it up. you've gone on so many runs, and you feel like that you're due for an upgrade, then you can probably consider going for this particular shoe. Just take note that wide and flat feet people, you might want to try a pair first in Adidas stores when it officially launches on February the 4th here in the Philippines before pulling the trigger online, just to get the feel for it, because again, my experience is that it's difficult for people with flat feet. Now, let's say you're just looking for a sneaker for everyday wear or overall athleisure. I would actually recommend that you skip the 21 and you just go for the different colorways of the Ultraboost 5.0, or check out the newer releases of the previous models. They came out with the 1.0 that reminds me a lot of either the zebra or a panda shoe. I did a vlog on that when I saw the sneaker over at Adidas BGC. For the 5.0, they even came out with like a glow-in-the-dark version of this that you can pick up right now, just sitting on shelves, no hype whatsoever around it. And overall, generally, just for walking and everyday wear, I feel that this one is more comfortable all around compared to the 21. Now, let's say you want the 21 but you are on the fence. My recommendation is to just, wait it out. We all know that shoes go on sale eventually, so if you're not feeling, or if you don't have the budget to buy it now, just give it a couple of months. You'll start to see it go on sale, 10% and then 20%, and then eventually 30, 40, 50%. And when it goes on a big sale and you still need one and you still want one, then you can pull the trigger and get it at great value. So in a nutshell, if you want something for athleisure or casual wear, go for this one. If you want something for running and you don't have flat and wide feet, you can go with this one. And let's say you don't have budget but you want one, wait for a couple of months, buy it at a big discount. Either one. What do you guys think of the Adidas Ultraboost 21 compared to the 5.0 DNA? Let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to hear from every single one of you. Also, if you want to watch more videos about actual performance running reviews of the Ultraboost 21, I will link down below to some of my favorite reviews from other sneaker running YouTubers. The Adidas Ultraboost 21 officially launches in the Philippines February the 4th. So if you want one, head on over to an Adidas shop by then, or just buy it online on the Adidas Philippines website when it becomes available. I'll link down below to this particular pair. I'll try to look for it on the Adidas Philippines website, and I'll link it in the comment section or in the description box just in case you guys want to buy early. Also, if you want to find out what are the latest shoes available over at the Adidas BGC shop, I recently did a vlog talking about all the different shoes that are just sitting there. It will be also linked below or somewhere up here. They released a bunch of new lifestyle boost-equipped sneakers, including the Klima Vento or Venta, as well as the ZX Alkine. They both look incredibly awesome and unique. So if you guys haven't heard of those shoes yet, and if you want to learn more, check it out down below. And with that said, that's actually it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you're all having a great week as usual. This is Carlo signing out. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.